The year is 2026, and monster truck engineering has just reached a whole new level. Meet the latest beast of the arena, a deep metallic blue 2026 monster truck built to dominate the dirt, the stadium, and the spotlight. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's designed with one goal in mind: pure, unstoppable performance. Asterisk from the very first glance, this truck demands attention. The rich blue paint, shimmering under the lights, gives it a modern, aggressive edge paired with its oversized BKT tires, towering suspension, and rugged stance. It's the kind of machine that turns heads whether it's parked in a pristine showroom or flying high over a line of crushed cars. The front end is aggressive yet refined, with a clean aerodynamic body design free of unnecessary graphics, allowing the engineering to speak for itself. Asterisk underneath that massive frame lies the heart of the beast, a high displacement, supercharged V8 engine pushing out raw horsepower that defies expectations, while exact numbers are kept under wraps for now. Industry insiders suggest it's well over 1,500 horsepower, all delivered with explosive torque designed to launch this machine into gravity-defying jumps and deliver blistering sprints down the track. The sound alone is enough to make your chest rumble, a deep, thunderous roar that announces its arrival before you even see it. Asterisk, but this isn't just about brute strength. The 2026 monster truck is packed with modern performance upgrades. The suspension system is an engineering masterpiece, designed to absorb the harshest landings and keep the truck stable during sharp turns. The chassis is reinforced with advanced alloys for maximum durability without adding unnecessary weight. The result? A machine that's both tough as nails and remarkably agile for its size. Asterisk inside, the cockpit is all business. A single racing bucket seat with a multi-point harness keeps the driver firmly in place. The dashboard is stripped down yet precise, with toggle switches, performance gauges, and an advanced telemetry system to monitor every critical detail in real time. Safety has also been stepped up, with a reinforced roll cage and energy-absorbing seat mounts to protect the driver during the most extreme stunts. Asterisk visually. The blue finish is more than just a color choice, it's a statement. It pops against the white tiles of a showroom, but it looks equally commanding under stadium floodlights or against a backdrop of flying dirt. The metallic flakes in the paint catch every glint of light, giving it a premium high performance look to match its capabilities. Asterisk, the 2026 model isn't just a vehicle, it's a showpiece of engineering, performance, and style. Whether it's performing jaw-dropping backflips in competition or making a static display appearance, it's designed to inspire awe. In the hands of a skilled driver, this machine becomes more than a truck. It's a weapon of entertainment, power, and precision. Asterisk, so. As the gates open and the crowd roars, one thing is certain: the 2026 Blue Monster truck is ready to set new records, push boundaries, and prove why it deserves its place as one of the most thrilling machines on four massive wheels.